Welcome to Chat Free TV. As you guys can see, it's now Vybz Kartel time. As Vybz Kartel secure another major victory in the dancehall space. Victory!
Live tonight at the House of Brown, we proudly present a night of soul, R&B, and timeless classics, starring Chris Brown and featuring Leon Thomas, Tank, Vybz Kartel.
For Jamaican dancer artists, you can count on one hand how much artists really say Vybz Kartel. We see it time and time again when you have Cardi B, you have Beyonce, top stars, Jay-Z, everybody, Busta Rhymes. Always want to do music with Vybz Kartel. And that must say something, that must have some weight. I just want to say again, big up to Sean Storm and him EP. When go and go stream that right now, Sean Storm EP Growth. When you don't know a thing already. Boy, I don't know what the dancehall artists, why the man them just don't want to admit say yo, a Vybz Kartel are the leader.
People, you see when you go spell great leader, you have to spell it Vybz Kartel. Because witness this man here, the greatness over and over, and it just gets shoved under the rug. Despite Vybz Kartel dirty ways, because society have him as dirty, we are going to talk about Adidja Palmer, the good man that he is, the good man within Vybz Kartel. We witness this man take him friends to prison and take them back out. When him take them out, him say, I care for you, I care for you, I care for you, a house for you, a house for you, a house for you. Remove what him do for him friends, right? Talk about what him do for society. We witness during the hurricane, this man provide Jamaica with care packages and food. Nobody not really talk about it, it gets shoved under the rug. Remove that again. We witness this man help Walipa School, Queens High School, Waterford High School, get shoved under the rug. We witness this man boss Walipa dancehall artists. We're not even gonna talk about the big one them like Popcorn and Spice. We're gonna talk about younger youth where many of you don't know about like Gaza Tucson, etc. You see? And nobody not really talk about it. We also witness this man turn whole heap of vlogger like myself in a millionaire.
Vybz Kartel, the whole way I look up to. Vybz Kartel is the man them not have to put down themselves in a no way when them say that. Because guess what? That man come from prison and I do the thing. Yo, me just feel like I just bad mind and masicka again. Prove, say yo, him is just another studio artist because after him run on pan Vybz Kartel, me did a wait and me know say all of Jamaica wait, we give him enough time. Me did a thing say yo, something greater did a come from masicka. Out of the whole of that Vybz Kartel hype there, me can say yo, him get 2 tune out of it with Tamale and you know, him can sell YouTube views, him a drop good music. Typical masicka. Him is just a studio artist. All bite, no venom. Masicka just proves say yo, him is just a studio artist. All bite, no venom. It is ironic how them dancehall artists yeah, take up all type of style, them take up bad mind. But me kinda understand why them do certain things, you know, because it come back down to the bottom line, the money dry up, it's all about the money. Because the man we are carry the swing, them a pre like say, the man we are carry the swing, him have all the pretty girls, him have the money. When them feel look on it like money they out there literally I grow up on tree, all you have to do is just do your music, do good music, and you will get your reward. Right now me feel like say dancehall in a good hands right now. I'm not saying the man them never that hold them own. Not saying Vybz Kartel alone is dancehall, but by the looks of it, Vybz Kartel alone have the remedy. When masicka start to jump off the ledge and crash out, I was deeply disappointed because masicka was the man when me feel like say yo, if anything, them man they are going to control the narrative. Them man they are going to put dancehall in a one certain type of way. Again, a letdown. Just another studio artist, even Alkaline. Alkaline prove him skills over and over again. One thing me find with masicka, after all of that rant to him keep up, this is the biggest disappointment. Masicka still a go on like say, him allergic to arenas. Chat Free TV. Everybody has a voice. But people want to understand. Chat Free TV, I not aim for just to go off a masicka. The reason why I bring up masicka is, you never hear it out of Vybz Kartel mouth say, yo, the people they no rate him and dancehall artists no rate him and all of that nonsense. Chat Free TV, you never hear Vybz Kartel a ball and I say, yo, them a pressure him, them a pressure him. And when just spread the thing. And the reason why I bring up masicka, because of him. Every artist show them card. Alkaline show them card. Even Intense. Intense show your point blank say a woman feelings him a carry. Everybody pick them side. But masicka was the one that was closest, and them type of bad mind me don't like, because the man them will come each from the same pot and then do what they do. I always talk about masicka because him come and him blame say a system. But I want to understand, when you see Vybz Kartel move one certain type of way, you know pre the thing no? Remember you know, a Vybz Kartel at the head of state and we can debate that from now till a morning. I don't know who still do that debate. Because by now everybody play them card already. And we all know who are the follower, who are the main man, and who are the key man. Artists them ball out system, and most of the time when I really check it out, the system was very much needed. The system keep the user safe, and you have to protect your energy. Dancehall artists, ritikal, I drop some bangers again. The summer look like it a go hot.
Top tier. One ultimate, there's not another. Top tier.
And Chat Free TV, I want to take that segment of the show here to highlight the artist here from St. Thomas, Ritikal. Because this artist here is a bad artist lyrically. And his flow is unique. Them would have say him a skilly being would have sound the same. But to me personally, it's two different artists. And me just personally feel like say yo, Ritikal a good artist, a bad artist. And him should have far in the music industry. But me see him a come with some new project. So people just give him a listen. Good artist, big artist, Ritikal. Dancehall is on a move again, and a lot of people are going to get left behind in every wave. Our next dancehall wave is up on us. Enough new artists are emerge, and enough people are going to get left behind. Because we see this over and over. Dancehall is a thing you will add today, but when your time done, your time done. Cargo for instance. Right now, Cargo can't do anything on bus, you know. Cargo go do farming on bus. But the music thing just spark with you. Cargo even go turn producer. Cargo even turn vlogger. But when the music journey stop, it just stop. The next thing I see among social users is me see Yaksta come out and Yaksta burn a fire, and the song is so powerful, the song is so uplifting.
Whip them, Jaja, me say whip them.
And that's why I know say you can't please people, you know, cause when Rasta na burn fire, everybody has said where the real Rasta them there. And now the man a burn fire. And not only the man not only a burn fire, you know I call the man thing a rant. RuPaul, Candy, Bobby Brown, Whitney Houston, P. Diddy, and all of them people they can get to express themselves. Why in time the man express himself and a burn theme fire, everybody have something to say.
If I know that a rifle, be a shot we beat.
And the next thing, the man say, Jesus now come back, come save we. And everybody take it up, put on them head. And me don't know why anytime people disassociate themselves from the false teaching and it's something when they make no sense and really look, uno disassociate the people from God. You know what God is? Why you not tell people say when a man knowing himself say yo a Jesus now come back come save him, have to do for himself and uplift him people. Him have to people not dumb as some people might think. The God police them cast them judgment as usual and you know get to you typical get to you type of thing. People try to nitpick. People try to put negativity in it. The man can't, but the man just burn a fire, no man. What happened to freedom of speech? Everybody can have their freedom of speech. Gay and trans actually are overrun Jamaica. So, if everybody can have them freedom of speech, bro, why when yaksta jump on him thing and him say, Ray and Tay and him start burn a fire, people are go pick and choose and say all type of things. Lord the music and the music flow.